今天看齐，墙上写着秦香莲的32岁了，转个当朝，驸马郎的齐君王啊，满皇上的会2岁了，转个当朝，今天看齐。
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm over in Santa Lucia. Oh, you know those horrible statues that used to be in Valletta? I'm sure many of you, you know those white, we call it Diablo, from foam things. They've shipped them off here. They are a bloody waste of money, these. Here they are, unless they're replicas, I don't know. Look at the state of them. They cost about 100,000 if they're the same ones. They got vandalized, and all they are is like Diablo, we call it. That sort of foam stuff. It was a big con, and they pushed them here now. Anyway, I just noticed these, so I thought I might as well. I did say to my Valletta, this is Santa Lucia. We're going to have a look at the Garden of Serenity. The Chinese government gave it in. It's a lovely Chinese garden in Santa Lucia on the way to Tashin. The tunnels are here, the new motorway tunnels. Look at the traffic, guys. It's been chaos today. I've been to a couple of places, but there's traffic everywhere. Anyway, this is a lovely walk here. You can see right ahead of us the Garden of Serenity. I've been here before, but I came with the Sony, and this is a GoPro. Should do it really justice, I think. It's about 5 o'clock now, something like this. This is a nice recreation area. Over the back there is Santa Lucia. Santa Lucia, big majority are like government project houses. There is private houses, of course, you know, I'm not saying that, but there is a massive government project here of flats right up the front. Santa Lucia, there's not really much going on. There's a bocce club, there's a couple of bars, but it's a new town, so it's not a sort of thing you would want to walk around. Sort of thing you would just houses, new housing estate, that sort of thing. Anyway, let's go and see the Garden of Serenity. It's got a few fountains. It's got a massive lake. No, it's got a lake. It's got a lot of Chinese things. Here it is, guys. Lovely place to walk around. Hey, we'll come back here. They're doing some work on the fountain, even last time. Now it's working anyway. That's the most important. Normally you come here and there's nobody. I think many people don't know about it. I did this cap. I was carrying this cap around, but the sun's gone in completely. I can't push it anymore. Hey, look, there's a nice statues. Let's walk around. Last time, I think this is quite new. Last time there was a bit just soil, I think. So they are keeping it up, which is important. As I say, about 2014, given from the Chinese government for aid, some kind of aid thing. This is tea drinking culture. Silk culture. Wow, this is what I like. Come on, let's have a sing with you guys. You know 60s music, guys? Huh? This is a sculpture of the arts culture. Chinese music. Let's have a look around. Seems pretty quiet. Hey, I do like an approach. As I say, if you want to look back on the couple of years at least, I think it is, I was here. I was just doing a video of Master Junction and the tunnels, and I thought, hey, let's go and have a look around here, see what's going on. Oh, there's another one here. What's this? Oh, there's more in the garden. Let's have a look at these before we go into the garden. This one is gaming, Chinese games, I think, something like that. Culture of playing chess. Yeah, they're good chess players, eh? This is a culture of weaving, something like that, I think. Oh, sculpture of a farm culture, farming. Wow, the wind picking up, guys. Let's have a walk around here. See if we can get across. Oh, look. I'm going to go across it. Oh. We made it, guys. We got across. It's very deep. Wow, there's sharks down there. And this tree was planted in 2001. Planted by Mr. Hu Yo Yung Jing King, member of the Bureau of CCCPC. I'll put below when they did it, because I got the date wrong, I think. It's a beautiful, quiet place, especially inside. Let's go and have a look inside. That's it. Interesting, that chest there. This is the main doorway. They go in. Let's play some music. Chong, ching, chong, chong, ching, chong, ching, chong, chong. What's that on the top there? Plastic bottle? How the hell did the plastic bottle get on the roof? Do we go to the left, guys, or to the right? Oh, some people coming round. Look at that. There are many sculptures here. This is the bamboo garden. Oh, that's a nice sound, eh? That rustling. I like that sound. The bamboo garden. Ooh, there is some people. This is Hoi Chon Tung. Oh, very nice. Yeah, I forget how nice it was. Last time there was no people. Last time I came it was very, very quiet. This is the time the kids come out of school though, eh? Oh, lovely, yeah. The waterfall here. Building here. This I think they open in the summertime. You can They do events here and things like that, I think. Nice roof here, eh? How nice. I think they've added on more since I came here, because at the back there wasn't anything. Perhaps they put a little bit more buildings, eh? It's very windy today, guys. Very, very windy. Normally you can come to this place and you see nobody, but maybe with this shutdown thing there's a lot of people. Oh, they have toilets here and toilets down there. So now there's a little bit secret garden here. Will I get through, guys? The back of another one of those buildings. Nice place, you can have a rest here, bring some Chinese tea. Here I think in the summer there's like some events going on. There'll be more people in this shutdown thing. Nobody's going out at all. Very quiet. This is part of Santa Lucia. Look, as I said, there's government project flats. Mostly there's a few villas there as well. Nice area for the kids to come. Been here for quite a while. I'll put the dates below because I wasn't doing this video, I was just driving past and I thought, hey, why not, I'll stop and have a look, see what they've done, anything special. These beautiful flowers, this one, eh? Nice to bring a picnic here. Anybody want to come and have a picnic on me, guys? We'll get some people together and we'll come over here. There's a nice area to get together. At the moment we can't get together, but I'm sure if there's a few people over in the summer we'll find a nice place to go. Nice bridge going over though. It's a bit stagnant-y smell. It's not moving the water enough, I think. Something up into the filter system. You can just wander around. There's a lot of little passageways and doorways, sculptures. Ooh, a lot of things dried up though. It's taken care of in a way, but I notice if you put things in pots though, it's very difficult to keep them here in Malta. A little bit of history on the way about it, how it was done, what put together. And then just some flowers and trees. plenty of it all. Plenty of nature here though, guys. Hey, a short video. I was driving past and I thought, why not? I'll go and have a quick look. Keep my guys up to date. There's a few people had mentioned about this place, but I didn't come over here. I had a video already. It was with the Sony though. I'm sure the GoPro is a lot better. Let's have a chat with these lions. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed it. The Garden of Serenity, Santa Lucia, near the tunnels of Santa Lucia, near Tashin. Take care everybody. See you soon, Englishman in Malta.
And I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.